Hi, welcome to our Monday Motivational, where we share with you handy and powerful tools to help you stay on top of your mortgage. My name is Henry Ike, the founder of Ike.Finance. Today's topic is what to do when interest rates rise. Here are 3 powerful tools you need to put in place immediately. Firstly, switch to a weekly repayment. Weekly repayment puts you ahead. In a calendar year, you would have paid a month or 2 in advance, so you're in advance in your repayment. Secondly, contact and sit down with your lender to review the interest rate you're paying. So if you've been with a bank for between 12 to 24 months and you haven't reviewed your mortgage rate, chances are that you're paying a higher rate. Now, the bank or your lender is not your friend. They are there to make profit out of your not being proactive on your investment on your home loan. So sit down with them to review your current rate. Thirdly, channel every savings or cash surplus you have to your offset account or to your linked mortgage account. Now that way, your surplus account or surplus cash is reducing the interest that is calculated on your mortgage daily and charged monthly. So the more money you have in your linked account or offset account, the less interest you pay. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you need professional help, please do contact us at Ike.Finance. We're here to help you. Thank you for listening. See you next week. Bye-bye for now.